Alright, we got some more out. Here's some new Thunder Bombs. 8016. We got some cherry bombs. This brick is in horrible shape. I don't know, maybe I'll just open that or something. We do got some woodpecker beaches. These are just nice bricks. Two of them. Here is the Ducks penny pack brick. I had two of these. I opened one a long time ago. These are really cool. Whole bunch of little packs in there. Let's see, we got some of these cutting edge lady fingers, lady crackers with the soft wrap. We have two alien star bombs over here, 20 packs of 100. Pretty cool bricks there. Those are some giant bricks. Alright, we're going to take a look into this guy right here. Some 50 strips of alien star bombs. These don't have the SF numbers. These are good ones. Let's see, we got another Bikini Beach woodpecker. It's the third one, I believe. Got some pink elephants. These are okay. This ain't too bad. I wish they were actually looked like that. That would be cool, but they don't. We got another 2100 star bomb brick. Oh, that's a third one there. Okay, what do we got here? Black Cat 5 packs of 400 strip. Very cool brick there. Those are nice packs there. And what else is in here? A couple strips of 80s Mega Banger Lady Fingers. We got another Shogun 40 packs of 350 in here. And something really cool is they don't have these no more in the shop I got them from. 10 packs of 400 Jitterbugs. Which I think I did a demo a long time ago on these. They were really good. They're actually quite surprising. Alright. Alright, let's take a look into this guy. Jesus Christ. Alright, these are nice cat logos. Got a nuke in here. Bunch of packs of 8016 Bikini Beach in here. Jesus Christ. Combat Commandos. These are nice. Some shit. Tanks. Penny packs. There's some wise guys in there. Some black rooster strips. All these fucking packs. Jesus Christ. These are Bikini Beach and tanks kind of mixed up. I gotta sort all this shit out, man. This is ridiculous. What do we have here? Star Bombs, unmarked, 12 strips. These are really good. Yeah, I gotta do something with all these packs in here. This is crazy. What do we got here? Some newer alien star bombs, maybe? I'm not too sure. I think they are. 16s. More Bikini Beach. 16s. These are fucking awesome crackers. There's some more. tanks. Tanks. These are all tanks here. Yeah, more tanks there. Bikini Beach tanks. Bikini Beach tanks. That's all this is right here. Let me straighten this out. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, that's a little bit better. So here's the Bikini Beach 8016s. I just got a brick of these today. That's how many packs of those we're looking at. Quite a few, actually. Here's my tanks. Quite a few of those. There's a couple of these in there. Some more star bombs with the no number. Oh, this got the numbers on them. These don't. Okay. Trying to get this glare out of here, guys. Well, this one doesn't. They kind of look different too if you look at them. Alright, what else is in here? I believe these are loose black roosters, which are awesome. Really good. Okay, we got some of these. Actually, a few of them, it looks like. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 of those in there. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, found these a while back at a Kaplan's. These are really nice black hats. 8016s, no QVS, no website. Yeah, those are nice. There's 2 of these. Actually, there was 4 that I got. 2 were in decent shape like these, and 2 were busted apart, but I still bought them. And what those look like is right here. I actually have some out. And this is what the packs look like, and this is what the crackers look like on these bricks. And they're actually really good. I think I did a demo a while back on these. They're solid. Some of my favorite bricks right here, actually. These black hats. And then we got 2 Mermaid brand in the bottom, which are some beautiful firecrackers. Beautiful bricks. Green, yellow, whatever the fuck color those are. Nice wraps on the back. Well, that was a good tote. I like that. Alright.